In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an admin from a school community. This process is straightforward, but requires a few specific steps to ensure it's done correctly. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and head over to your favorite search engine, which is typically Google. In the search bar, type in School Community and press Enter. This will bring up a list of search results. Select the first result that appears. This should take you to Skool's website where you can access your communities. Once the Skool homepage is loaded, you need to log into your account. Simply enter your credentials, your email and password in the designated fields, and click the login button. If you've forgotten your password, most websites have a forgot password option that you can use to reset it. After you've logged in, you'll be at your dashboard where all your activity and community information is displayed. Now pay close attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see two small arrows pointing to the left. This icon is crucial because it allows you to navigate through different parts of your dashboard by expanding and collapsing menus. Click on this arrow symbol to proceed. After clicking the arrows, your communities should be visible. Look through your list and select the community where the admin you want to remove is a member. Click on the chosen community to access its main page. Inside the community page, locate the toolbar, typically along the top or side of the page. You should find a tab labeled Members. Clicking on this tab will open up a list of all individuals associated with the community, including admins, moderators, and regular members. Once you're viewing the member list, look for another tab that says Membership. Clicking on it will give you more detailed options regarding the membership roles within the community. Now, locate the admin whose role you want to change. Next to their name, you should see a small word that says Change within parentheses. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. Here you'll want to select the Member option. This adjustment is what officially changes the individual's role from admin to a standard community member, and that's it. This will demote the admin to a regular member, altering their permissions within the community. And there you have it, a comprehensive walkthrough on how to remove an admin from a school community. The entire process is designed to ensure that changes can be made efficiently and securely. If you need to, you can always return to these steps to make additional changes in the future. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.